Ndomereri kuma ministry-ini ya ugima wa mwiri yugite hari ithimi 6,754 iria ikinyanirie mathaa-ini 24 andu 796 niyo monekanite na virus ya murimu wa COVID-19.
Today is the day that we have actually recorded the highest number of positive cases since this pandemic struck.
Kaunti ya Nairobi noyo ikuite Bulitatha iri na arwaru 539 iromerirwo ni kaunti iria irigainie cia Kiambu na Machakos iri na arwaru 63 na 57 kirumaniririo.
While we do have the 796 cases reported today, 89% of them are asymptomatic. And that's important to note. 89% of them are asymptomatic. Again, leading to the emphasis that we've placed that this disease is really well within our communities. Again, to place the emphasis that, any one of us could actually be afflicted with this COVID-19 disease.
No na kuri oguo nditonjaga ni ati aria mahonete ni makinyite 7,135 thutha wa arwaru angi 378 gutoria murimu uyu.
Reports shared with us online, calls of patients who perhaps are afraid to now seek care, and we are witnessing cases where people are rushing to hospital at the last minute, and then of course succumbing to the condition because we've not been able to intervene at an appropriate time.
Na waria makuite ni mongererekeire na andu 3 na gukinyithia ikuo cia COVID-19 guku bururi-ini 263. No na murimu uyu wa COVID-19 ukionekaga guthie na mbere gucaca guku bururi-ini, thirikari ni ihinyiririe ati kwa ihinda riri iri na uhoti wa kuhurana na murimu uyu na kuria muingi guteithiririo na njira ya guthingata mawatho maria magathikitwo. Ngiribotera Inooro TV ri toria kwani wa Ngui wa Mwangi.